So what if I told you that you can create amazing looking digital stickers that you can sell anywhere, such as Etsy, Redbubble, any platform that you can sell digital products on and be 100% compliant doing so? Well, now you can with CrispyStix. Hello and welcome to my CrispyStix review. So CrispyStix is a software that will allow you to create these really cool looking stickers. They can be tailored to anyone, tailored to adults, tailored to kids. They can have writing on them, whatever. All you do is put in a text prompt and it outputs the stickers. You can do these in bulk. So what sets this apart from ChatGPT or Google Gemini is the fact that you can do these in bulk and it will just queue them up. And you don't have to sit and wait and for each one to go, and you can walk away from it while it does everything in the cloud. Now, the great thing about this is there's no recurring fees. It's a 100% online AI agent software, nothing to install on your computer. And the really cool thing is unlimited credits, no credit or point system for this. It's unlimited. So that is amazing right there. Stick around to the end because I have a cool bonus for you that you can do on your own. So if people are making money on Etsy doing this, you can do this through Etsy, Redbubble, Gumroad, any site that allows you to sell digital images, you can do this on. So look at the people that are making money with this. Thousands of dollars, hundreds and thousands of sales on these sites. These here are some of the listings. So as you can see, this person's made 16 sales a month and a conversion rate of 6.79%. This one here is 50 monthly sales with 2% conversion rate with 7-month list average. This one here has 76 sales a month and 39 months list age with a 9.99% conversion rate. So it only takes 3 steps. Step 1, enter 2 words. That's it. AI handles the rest. So you put in a prompt and you put in your text. That's it. Step 2. Click a button once to create your sellable digital asset. Step 3, upload it to buyer sites like Etsy and Redbubble, where real buyers are searching and buying right now. And it's basically that simple. You don't need to build anything complicated. It's a simple system where you give a hungry audience what they want. And it works for anyone willing to click a button. So what sets this apart from ChatGPT, Google Gemini, is that this gives you compliant images that you can place on these sites to sell the images. That way you don't have to worry about getting your profile banned or taken down, because these sites, especially Etsy, are really cracking down on AI generated products. This here is going to save you all that hassle because it does everything in the background. By the time you download it, you are compliant. So as promised, here is the bonus that I am going to give you just by getting CrispyStix through my link. So get CrispyStix through my link. You're going to get this bonus, which is an online sticker listing creator. This is bid specifically for Etsy. I can't put Etsy in the title or the description because you can't put brand names in there. It's against terms of service, so I can't do that. So let me just show you how it works really fast. This is SEO optimized. So let's do a cute purple dragon. So before I create your Etsy listing, so we need to tell it that it's a digital product in SVG format, 5 images, transparent background. It's not physical, so we won't have to worry about that. Is there anything specific about the style? It's cartoonish, and we'll see what it comes up with. So here's your Etsy listing. Cute purple dragon set, sticker set, cartoon fantasy, digital download, transparent background. And it gives you the description. It gives you what's included. It gives you instant download and all of the keywords that you just need to do. So you just need to copy and paste this in to your Etsy listing. You don't have to worry about going out and doing any research on the SEO. It's already here for you. And This will save you a ton of time. So I hope you enjoyed my CrispyStix review. If you enjoyed my review, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Also, if you're interested in picking this up, click the link in the description. It will take you to my review page, which you can then click any of the green buttons inside that review page, and it'll take you to the page to purchase. In that review page, it's going to show you upsells and all of that information that you need before you purchase. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.